In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize the size of a PDF and send it via Gmail. We all know how indispensable email has become in our daily lives, whether it's for personal communication, professional correspondence, or simply managing the multitude of subscriptions we find ourselves tangled in. And Google's Gmail stands tall among the myriad of email services available to us. But every so often we stumble upon the need to share documents and files, especially PDFs, that are just a tad too bulky for email's liking. That's where the art of reducing the size of your PDF to make it email friendly, and subsequently sharing it via Gmail, comes into play. First off, kickstart this process by navigating to your Gmail inbox. This is your operational hub, where all your email activities originate from and conclude. For many, this might seem as basic as it gets, but ensuring you're in the right place is pivotal. Here you can view all your received emails, manage your emails, and of course, start the process of composing a new email. Now, with your inbox open and ready, it's time to hit the Compose button. This action springs open a new window within your Gmail interface, a blank canvas awaiting your words and attachments. This is where the magic begins, the creation of a new email. But before we dive into the realm of attachments, let's not jump the gun. Take your time here to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. You have fields for the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and the large area at the bottom. That's where you'll type out your message. Moving on, once you've got your message all typed up and you're ready to attach your PDF, you'll notice a small paperclip icon at the bottom of the window. This universally recognized symbol for attachments is your gateway to adding files to your email. A click on this icon opens up the file browser on your computer, allowing you to navigate to where your minimized PDF is stored. Remember, the reason we're specifically talking about a minimized PDF is to ensure the file you're attempting to send doesn't exceed Gmail's size limit for attachments. It's a common hurdle, especially with PDFs that contain high-resolution images or extensive pages. After selecting your PDF, you'll see it being uploaded as an attachment to your email. This process usually takes a mere few seconds, but this could vary depending on the file size and your internet connection speed. It's a good time to double check the recipient's email address and ensure your email's subject and body accurately convey your message. Missteps in these areas can lead to your email being overlooked or ending up in the spam folder, something we all surely want to avoid. It's also worth noting, for those of you keen on aesthetics or the added clarity that highlighting text can bring to your message, Gmail provides the functionality to highlight text within your email content. While not strictly related to attaching a PDF, it can be especially useful if you're pointing your recipient's attention to specific instructions or key points within your email that pertain to the PDF. To use this function, simply select the text you wish to highlight, and a formatting menu will appear, offering options including bold, italics, font color, and yes, highlighting. Once you're content that your message is clear, your recipient's address is correctly entered, and your minimized PDF is securely attached, it's time to send your email off into the digital ethers by clicking the Send button. It's a simple step, yet it culminates the entire process, dispatching your email to its intended recipient, complete with your carefully prepared and now minimized PDF. And there you have it, from navigating your Gmail inbox to compressing your PDF, all the way to sending it off into the world. It's a straightforward process, but one that's supremely useful in our digitally driven world. Whether you're sharing important documents for work, sending a copy of your CV for a job application, or just sharing interesting reads with friends and family, mastering this process ensures your email communications remain seamless and effective. Remember, the key to effective digital communication is not just about sending emails, it's about ensuring they are crafted thoughtfully, considerate of size limitations, and contain all the necessary information for the recipient to engage with your message fully. And now, with the knowledge of how to effectively minimize a PDF and share it via Gmail, you're well equipped to do just that.